fuel in production. And strapping the tank. The electronic gauge on this one does not work properly, so we're going to climb up and strap the tank and see what we have. Valve. Go get our strap. We go measure and do our tank. Let's go see what we have. You always want to watch the flag when you come up here, the windsock. You see it's blowing, the end of it's facing that way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and check the water in this one because the wind's going to pull the fumes away. You got to stand back, close your eyes a little bit, hold your breath. You got to stay away from it for a minute, let it breathe for a second. No matter what, you get a little puff of it sometime. All right, we're going to drop our strap down. All right, I stand back because the fumes are coming out, and I roll it up, and then I look and see where it is on the strap. Good. And you wipe it off. Now I lay it on the ground. It caught on my shirt. There. Close your door back up, make sure it's locked. Alright, I always put the little handle back over so it doesn't unroll on me while I'm walking down. We'll go do our paperwork. Pulling and strapping. All right, open our valve. Good. All right, we're gonna go do paperwork.